Hi friends, hope you're doing well. And many users, especially for Windows 11, are facing the problem of full of storage. Means C drive is getting full without any reason, and many people have tried different types of techniques, different types of tools over the C drive, and many users deleted their huge junk files, and they run C cleaner, and after that they are getting no result, and C drive is getting full without any reason. So if you are facing the same problem with you guys, and so the solution is that Microsoft Windows 11 recently launched a patch. That patch is KB50959093. So you can search this patch over the Chrome browser, and you will get all details regarding this patch. So all these details are available. It will better your recovery option. Most importantly, basically we are talking about here for the storage, because storage is getting full without any reason. So and fix for hidden storage bugs. So this patch is very important. So you can check out in your update history. Maybe you have already installed this patch, but if not, then you have to install this patch because it will save your precious storage. So let's move on to the Windows 11 system, and let me show you. Here we have the Windows 11 system. So if you go inside the check update, so you can see that on my Windows 11, I have available this KB 5095093 update. So you have to make sure that this package should be updated in your system. You have to go inside the Windows check update, and you can also check the update history. If it is already installed, then definitely it would be there. So in my case, I have to install this package. So first possibility is that maybe once you go inside the check update option, it will be available here, and just you need to download and install. Let's say if it is not there, then definitely you have to keep this option on so that you can get earlier updates. And let's say if you are not getting the update within the 2 to 3 days, or you are not getting update, or you are in rush, you want to update this package right now, so you can do that manually as well. How you can do that, let me show you. You have to go onto the Chrome browser, then you have to type Microsoft product catalog. It is the official website of Microsoft, and all the patches are available here. So just you have to click here, and after that you have to search. It is very simple. You have to search for the desired or required package. So KB 5095093. So you have to click on it, and after that you will have several packages over here. So you have to check out your Windows version before downloading the respective package, Win version. So once you confirm your Win version, let me show you my version. So let's say my Windows is 25H2. So it is means you have to download the 25H2 package, and you similarly you have to confirm your bit, and most importantly, if you are using the Windows 11 system, you are using the HP, Dell, Lenovo, any system, obviously it would be x64-bit. Otherwise, you can go inside the uh, My Computer properties, and you can check your 64-bit system. So you can verify from there. So just here, we need to download this package. You can see that x64 and 25H2. So this is the required package, and approximately the size of the 5 GB. So first possibility is that it will be downloaded automatically. If not, you can download it manually, because it is very important. It will save your space and remove your head edge. So you have to just click onto the download, and you have to select either one of the link, and downloading will be started instantly. So once the package is downloaded, just you need to double click on it, and you have to start the installation. Just you need to double click on it. Installation will be started like traditional installation, and your PC may start several times. And after that, you will good to go, and your system space will be improve, and many of your space will be free after running this patch. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if this video seems informative and you are facing the same problem, because I got one comment as well on my video that we are facing this problem, and I committed to my viewer that I will create video on that. So that is the reason I have created video, and it is the hot topic. So if you are facing any problem, you can share in the comment section. I will try to create video on that as well. Take care. See you next. Bye bye. Hit the bell icon kindly. Don't forget it.